Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. I am Sawa.
And I am Axel. Since I started to learn Korean, I got confused with the pronunciation between the T, D, Ch, and the K. T. So, cause like there's three different letters for it, and I never really know the pronunciation between it.
Oh, so do you understand what she said? Oh, would you like to explain why she's confused about the letters? Is it vowel or consonant?
Vowel.
Oh, ding.
Consonant.
Yeah, it's consonant. And why is she confused? Why she's been confused since she studied Korean?
Can you help me?
No? Can you just pronounce the d?
The.
D?
D.
T?
T.
Yeah. Can you just distinguish what difference between t, t?
The.
Of starting d sound. It's like dog and different. What else is starting d sound?
Different.
Oh, different. And what else? Doll. So yeah. So what's the word starting d sound
Ooh, that's
in
cool.
English?
In English. Sorry, what the?
D starting d sound.
Yeah, like dinosaur.
Yeah, dinosaur, like doll. So in Korean, D, we said 디귿. 디귿 start is like a D sound in English.
Okay.
So it's clear,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
And 쌍디귿, double 디귿.
Okay. Yeah.
It's kind of just. I think there's no sound in
English?
English. Is there a sound in French?
Not really.
Not really. Yeah. Actually, it's kind of just hard sound.
Okay.
So you just put the double d sound together.
Okay.
It's like a one syllable. So yeah, it's a little different. But 쌍디귿. But just you can just speak a little more harder. It's like 디귿 뜨.
Okay.
뜨.
The.
So
When I said like talgi,
oh yes, 딸기 in strawberry in English.
at first I keep saying like talgi, and then my friend like it's not talgi, it's talgi. I don't really know how to pronounce it.
딸기.
Talgi.
딸기. But you're so close. Yeah. Everyone understand. Yeah, when you say 딸기. 서아야, how do you pronounce the 딸기?
딸기.
Oh.
딸기.
Actually, can you just repeat after me? 딸기.
Talgi.
Yeah, I think you're perfect.
Okay.
딸기. Yeah, it doesn't sound foreigner.
I tried.
Oh yeah, 딸기. Yeah, that's really good. And next sound is t.
Yeah.
T. T is tear. With what is called tear, and T sound is t. T.
T.
Yeah. So what's the sound? Okay, tea to drink. And what's the word to start the T sound? It's like a T-shirt. What else?
Teacher.
Ah, right. And your turn.
My turn. T-shirt.
You did it already.
I did it already. Teacher, teaching. What else?
Oh yes. I think T-bone steak.
People.
Right.
Yeah.
Table.
Oh,
table.
table. Right. So yeah, T is just T sound
Okay.
in
yeah,
English.
okay.
So yeah, it doesn't confuse.
Okay. Actually, my teacher at the Korean school, they try to not talk English at all. So that's why they never really linked it with the G or the T.
Ah, right.
yeah, that's
okay. Okay.
But then it makes sense now.
Yeah, I understand.
So then with that, it's same with D. So,
Right.
I mean with the like
D.
G between like the K sounds.
Oh,
Like G and K.
right. That will be next episode. Then, would you like to just say bye?
Bye bye.
Bye bye.